In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from one domain to another domain in Weebly. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that every move is easy and straightforward. Whether you're updating your online presence or simply making a change to your current site's web address, knowing how to switch domains can be a crucial skill. So let's dive right in. First, what we'll want to do is head over to Weebly. If you're not already familiar with it, Weebly is a handy, user-friendly website builder that allows you to create beautiful sites easily. Begin by opening your web browser and going to Weebly's website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But assuming you do, go ahead and sign in using your existing email address and password. Once you've logged in, you'll likely arrive at the Weebly dashboard. From here, you'll want to navigate over to the Overview section. This section provides a big picture view of your website's settings and is where we'll make the domain switch. Next, look for the button that says Edit Site. Go ahead and click on that, which will take you into the Weebly website editor. In the website editor, you'll find a menu. Locate the Settings option. It generally appears in one of the top corners of your screen. Clicking on Settings will open up several different options. Here is where you want to focus on the site address section. This part of the settings is critical because it's where you have the ability to change your current domain to a new one. When you find site address, you'll see a button that says Change. Clicking it will prompt a new screen. At this point, you'll be asked to type in your desired domain, which will replace your current one. Simply enter the new domain name that you've chosen. It's worth double checking to make sure that you've typed the name correctly to avoid any unnecessary mistakes. After entering your new domain, look for the option that allows you to connect or transfer it. In most cases, Weebly will have a clear pathway for doing this, marked by another button typically labelled Connect or Transfer Now. Click on that button to proceed with linking your new domain to your Weebly site. Finally, you'll be asked to confirm the change by entering your custom domain one last time. This is the domain that's going to be live for your site. It's really important to ensure everything is correct. Spelling, extension, and any subdomains. Once you're satisfied, click on Transfer or Connect your domain to commit the change. And there you have it. You've successfully switched your Weebly site from one domain to another. This process not only ensures that your website's address is up to date, but can also help align your online identity with any new branding or business goals you might have. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been clear and helpful for you.